Are you constantly seeing charges on your bank statements for subscriptions that you have no idea when you signed up for them, where they came from, or more importantly, how to cancel them? In today's video, I'm going to show you on your phones how to find and cancel hidden subscriptions. But before we jump into that, go ahead and drop down below, hit that like and subscribe. It's so easy. It's one of the easiest things you could do on your technology. Drop down below, hit that like and subscribe before you go. We really appreciate it. And make sure to share this video with one of your friends who's constantly complaining to you about subscriptions that they have no idea where they came from. All right, now let's jump into it. Let me show you how to do this on screen. Okay, so it's very simple. From our phones, what we want to do is open up our settings. We're going to go to our name, right? So we're on iPhone. We're going to go to our name. We're going to look for subscriptions. It's that easy. There's actually a section right there for subscriptions. See it on screen? And what you're going to do is tap on subscriptions, go in there and see what you have. Like, see, I had all this Apple stuff. Recently got an Apple Watch. They told me you could, try all these different subscriptions. So I signed up for them. And here we are. Now I have all these subscriptions that I'm going to end up paying next month if I don't come in here and cancel them. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel them. Didn't really care for them. Trials, right? I didn't want to pay for the full price. But there's other stuff in here. I mean, all kinds of subscriptions, not just Apple products, get slapped in here. If you download an app from the App Store, that's a pretty good chance that you might end up with a subscription by accident if you hit the wrong thing. And next thing you know, it's in here and you're paying for it. So make sure to drop in there and check these out. Cancel the ones that you do not want. Okay, and now for my Android users, you guys are going to be doing something very similar. You're going to be going to the Google Play Store. That's right, the guy you get all the apps from. And you're going to tap on your profile icon in the top right of the Google Play Store. You're going to look for payments and subscriptions. Go into subscriptions and you can see all that are active and you can cancel them just like we did on the iPhone. All right, that's it for this one, everybody. If you enjoyed the video, please again, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe before you go, and I will see you all on the next one.